Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable or disable vertical synchronization in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. First, while you are in the main menu of the game, open Settings by either pressing F3 or by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. And once you are here, go to Graphics. In Graphics, select Display section or Display tab at the top. Scroll down to Sustainability section, and here you'll find two settings to change your vertical synchronization, one for gameplay and one for menus. In order to change the value of the vertical synchronization, you have to drop the list down and then select the value that you need. And the vertical synchronization works in a way that it limits your monitor's frame rate to match your gameplay frame rate. So basically, if you have the 120 Hz monitor, setting the vertical synchronization to for example 50 will limit your monitor's frame rate to 60 Hz. And to apply settings, you have to either press the 3 button or click right here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.